Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the app lock or security settings for the specific app on your device. Navigate directly to the app entry in Settings, or open the app and tap its lock icon. Authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or password before changing biometric options. After authentication, locate the fingerprint or biometrics toggle in the app settings. Switch the fingerprint toggle off to disable fingerprint unlock for that app. Confirm any prompts that request confirmation. The app will now require your PIN, pattern, or password instead of fingerprint. Open your device settings and go to Security or Biometrics and Privacy. Tap Fingerprints or Touch ID and authenticate using your PIN, pattern, or password. You will see a list of stored fingerprints labeled 1, 2, 3, etc. Select each fingerprint and choose Delete or Remove to erase it from the system. Deleting all fingerprints stops any app from using fingerprint authentication automatically. After removal, apps will require your PIN, pattern, or password as the fallback authentication method. If fingerprint access persists after disabling, clear the app data from Settings apps. Choose the app, tap Storage, and then Clear Data or Clear Storage to reset its lock state. Alternatively, uninstall updates or reinstall the app to remove stuck settings. During app setup after reinstall, decline biometric prompts and choose PIN or password instead. If the app still enforces device-level biometrics, reset your device biometrics or contact the device maker for guidance. Keep a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.